Hey YouTube, hey, it's your handsy homegirl Danny, creative Danny did it, and I'm back with another video. If this is your first time here, please consider subscribing to this channel. We are a DIY channel dedicated exclusively to showing you guys how to do every and anything yourself. In today's video, I am going to be showing you guys how to clean your Graco True Airless 360 DS. So I showed you guys a few months ago how to clean your Wagner spray gun, and in this video it's a follow-up. It's a whole different brand, it's a different setup, so we're going to do another cleaning process, and I will show you guys the Wagner one here. But please make sure you're watching the full video in its entirety. There's no way that you can learn anything in under 5 minutes, right? So just make sure you're watching until the end. I always drop you some tips and gems along the way just to make sure that you got all of the grounds covered. Your Graco paint sprayer. Super easy. Again, the best tip I can offer you guys is making sure that you're cleaning your sprayer as soon as you're finished with your project. The quicker that you clean it is going to be much easier for you on your next when you're ready to use this bad boy. Again, I thank you guys so much for watching until the end. Please share this video with anybody who is a king or queen DIYer. I'm gonna see y'all in my next video.